bog gardens are incredibly special and a great addition to your backyard. This particular bog garden we built about a year ago. It's probably one of the only bog gardens here in Nashville in Zone 7. And all of these plants provide a unique experience to the backyard garden. So the key elements of a bog garden is you want a system that holds on to a lot of water. In this particular garden, we've used a pond liner. We've got a little bit of peat, some sand, and a lot of moisture-loving plants living in here. So you can't just put any plant in a bog garden. You want a plant that likes wet feet. We've got carnivorous plants such as Venus flytraps and Sarracenia living in here, a little bit of sundews, but we also have other plants like ostrich ferns and lobelia. We have bog rosemary, we have rush, kind of a small dwarf grass. All of these plants don't mind having wet feet. Bog gardens are incredibly low maintenance. Essentially, all you need to do is let nature come in, let the plants feed themselves, maybe the occasional light kelp seaweed fertilizer, and then in the peak of summer, I might take the watering can and give it a good sprinkle. But generally, this is a very low maintenance garden.